The double chance betting option allows you to cover 2 of the 3 possible outcomes in a football match. It's an escape option that makes your bet safer when you are not confident of the straight win option, and if you are still losing regularly and not winning with double chance at least 85% of the time, you are clearly just choosing based on luck. Obviously, this option contains 3 possible outcomes, which are Team 1 win or draw, Team 2 win or draw, and either Team 1 or 2 wins. The key thing to understand if you always want to win this option is, if you select a big team to win or draw, it means you are not so confident of them having an easy win. If you have to select the smaller team to win or draw, you must first be confident that the smaller team is capable of winning. Only the small team getting the win should be on your mind here. But, if you have to select the either team to win option, that means you are totally unsure and not confident of that match, and you are totally relying on luck. So, if you always want to increase your chances of winning, I suggest that you avoid either team to win, leave that game and search for another game you are confident of. To select a big team to win or draw, look for a situation where the big team's odd is unusually too much, especially when they are playing at home. Then go ahead to analyze by looking at the form and the big club's history or past match against the smaller team. To select a small team to win or draw, first make sure the smaller team are in solid form, and the big team are in a terrible form. To be sure to a high degree, just use a website called SportsMole, but totally ignore their predictions and focus on their reason for the prediction. That's what I did in the game between Chelsea and Nottingham Forest. I was very sure Nottingham Forest was going to win or draw in the match despite Chelsea winning their last 2 games, but their last 2 matches were against Luton and Wimbledon, and their performance against Wimbledon was not great, despite winning, and on the other hand, Nottingham Forest were in great goal-scoring form. SportsMole predicted Chelsea to win, but the reason they gave me for their decision was not convincing enough, so I chose in favor of Nottingham Forest anyways. The lesson is, if you bet based on prediction from these prediction websites, instead of focusing on their reason, they will mislead you a lot and you will regret using them.